Okay, worked on your design a bit. Based on my 20 years of doing this, this is what I would do. I'll give you the tour. I don't have enough room to put the stove over here because I didn't like how the dishwasher was over here. It's always best to put the dishwasher right adjacent to the sink, as I have in this plan. Okay, so here would be a drawer, 2 doors, and behind the 2 doors I would put roll-out trays. Of course, this wall cabinet would just have adjustable shelves. Dishwasher. This is a 36 wide sink base. I tried looking at a 27 wide sink base, but that's kind of small, and I think I'd rather have a bigger sink. So I went with a 36 wide, and then I had just enough space for a 9-inch. This is where you would store cookie sheets on a vertical. And then this is a Super Susan cabinet, which is probably the best use for the corner. See the wall cabinets here, wall cabinet, diagonal wall cabinet, 12-inch wall cabinet, stove, microwave over the stove. There's a shot at venting the microwave up and over, but I think this is a garage wall. Now, if you want to, you can. You're not supposed to do this, but you can't. You're not supposed to vent in the garage. You have to vent outside. But some people, after the fact, will vent the microwave into their garage and call it good. But you're not. Like I said, you're not supposed to do that. Bank of 4 drawers. Got 2 island cabinets with a drawer, 2 doors, and these would have roll-out trays. There's not enough depth in the room to do seating in this island unless you did an overhang right here. And I'd probably even toy with the idea of, instead of making these 24 inches deep, I'd toy with the idea of making these 21 inches deep. Because we like to see 42 inches all the way around an island, and you're not going to quite have that. But I think you can sneak an island in there. Definitely would get rid of the closet. The closet is just a catch-all, and I would rather put a pantry cabinet, as I've shown here, with behind these 2 large drawers would be roll-out trays. At the moment, I know in your plan you showed a 30-inch refrigerator. I've got a 36-inch counter depth refrigerator here, and I didn't put anything over here. I think this can be phase 1 and find out what this costs, and if you feel you need the additional storage, we can work something out over here. I don't know. I know you don't live here. I get a sense that it's a rental of some sort. So I think this would be. I'm trying to keep it cost effective. The idea would be to put crown molding and have it touch the ceiling. The only thing in the island, what's really popular, because you have the room there, is maybe a pull-out trash in the island. I don't have enough room over here. Pull-out trash needs to be at least 15 inches for one trash bin and 18 inches for the double trash bin. As So we could chat about putting that in the island. This line right here represents where your cabinets end today. You can see it again right where my mouse is. So there's about 15 inches of space before you hit the patio door. So I'm using some of that space. Thought I'd let you know. But if you have questions, want to make some changes, want to reconfigure, by all means. But again, I don't see the stove going on this wall, although that's a great place to vent it outside, because I hate having to put the dishwasher on this wall.